everyone, hold on to your taste buds because today we are making the best chocolate chip cookies you ever have. Gooey, melty, chocolatey goodness is coming to your way in just a few easy steps. Let's jump right in. First you have brown the butter. Add 1 cup of butter to a large saucepan and place over medium heat. The butter will begin to crackle and then eventually foam. Make sure you whisk constantly during the process. After a couple of minutes, the butter will begin to brown and turn a nice golden amber color on the bottom of the saucepan. Chocolate chip cookies are all-time favorite classic treat. Warm, gooey chocolate chip cookies, perfectly chewy in the center with a straight crunch on the outside. These are everything a cookie should be. Soft, chewy and loaded with chocolate, these cookies are easy to make and seriously addictive. Continue to whisk and remove from heat as soon as the butter begins to brown and give off a nutty aroma. Immediately strain the butter to prevent burning. Set aside to cool for 10 minutes or until cool enough to touch. These epic cookies are perfectly crispy on the outside, chewy in the middle, and are in fact the best cookies you'll ever have. With an electric mixture, mix the brown butter, 1 cup of brown sugar and half cup of white sugar about 1 minute. Beat in the egg yolk and vanilla essence until combined. Add 1 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Add 1 cup of chocolate chips and half cup of crushed dark chocolate. Mix all ingredients until just incorporated into a dough. Chill your dough for 2 hours in the refrigerator or up to 12 to 24 hours. Do not try to speed up this process. The dough needs to chill in order to be perfect. Once dough is chilled, preheat the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit and line a baking sheet with parchment paper. You might need to take out the dough and thaw it out before measuring the dough if it is super hard and you did not already roll the cookie dough into balls. This should take about 20 minutes. Once ready to bake, measure 2 heaping tablespoons of the dough or use a medium cookie scoop. It doesn't have to be perfectly rolled. Place dough balls on the cookie sheet 2 inches apart. Bake the cookies 9 to 11 minutes or until the edges of the cookies begin to turn golden brown. They will look a bit underdone in the middle but will continue to cook once out of the oven. Cool the cookies on the sheets for 5 minutes to allow them to set up. Remove the cold cookies from the baking sheet and transfer to a wire rack to cool completely. And that's it, the ultimate chocolate chip cookies baked to perfection. Make a batch with friends or keep them all to yourself. Thanks for baking with me and remember, life is better with a fresh warm cookie in hand.